Sorry, I just woke up. It's like 6 in the morning. Uh, Now the way I save my project, it's gonna cause me problems if I have like, if I'm in File Explorer on my D drive, I'm in um, projects and all that, because that's where this is gonna be saved in here somewhere. But it's good to have it simplified. You don't want this to be super long. You don't want it to be projects, and then from projects to content, and then from content to something else. You want to avoid that. And the reason you want to avoid that is because it can cause you problems when you compile. This line is actually supposed to be no more than 240 characters. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 characters. You cannot allow this, how do you call it? You can't allow the location of your project to be more than 250 characters, because then it's gonna cause problems. I've only seen that problem once when I was trying to modify a game, but after that I fixed it. But that problem does exist, and it's good to know about it. Alright, we're gonna create a project. It doesn't matter, starter, no starter. Wait, what are we doing? Blank. Yeah, blank, whatever. It doesn't matter. Teachings. You can name this whatever. It doesn't matter. No, techniques. That's fancy. So with this one, I'm gonna show you the different ways with programming, and you can just copy whatever we make here and paste it in your own project so you can save time. That in itself is a technique which is pretty helpful.